I'm playing dominoes, but I'm a freestyle this shit. Give you a little, make it a lot. Fucking, I'm all in this shit like the middle. And if you wanna have fun, I'm standing on top. Give it to you, motherfuckers, never gonna stop. Cause big game tight we is. Give it to you, what turn on the lights and show is. This chick been swinging like since I was a kid. And speaking of kids, I got them all around me now. How we live? This chick been swinging. Now I'm be singing. In between writing and all that shit be meaning something. But if it don't mean shit to you, guess what? It didn't matter because I didn't have no dues. If I paid them, y'all be saying, here you go. And if I don't, y'all be saying, here you go. But anyway, I keep on the freestyle. Yo, and if this chick don't want to be stopping, yes, let me know. Because I keep on going like that rabbit you don't know. It's that bitch and you know it be from the dome. It's that shit. Ooh, swing harder than most of these. Don't want to talk about how hard it motherfucking gets. I be swinging and it be from the dome. Told you that shit once again. Now I'm on that Hennessy. We Drake and adrenaline. Y'all don't understand, but in a minute you gonna be feeling hot. I've been doing this shit from way back and when. And you understand, that's all for my fucking kids. Yes, I did it for them and nothing else. And you gonna never see me on the fucking shelf. Who I be? It's Mystery. Giving it to you, but my name be Tracy. If you don't understand, you can call me bitch, please. Cause I don't be playing. You be better on your employees. Feeling shit like it was free. But now, in the end, y'all gonna pay me. I don't be playing, but in the end, I'm gaming. In the end, you gonna feel me and frame it.
She ain't playing. You already know words that we ain't saying. Got shirts at it just for the snitches. You already know other side for the itches. I ain't gotta say it. I don't cuss it back to women. If I probably do while I'm wearing all linen. You already know Tracy, don't kill it. From the west back to the east, sipping in it. Heading north Oakland. With my niggas rich is something like a polar bear. But if they say they see my niggas, if you talking about the shit, well I be chilling with the goons. I'm a hustler, baby. Towns that we move. I ain't talking about a whole lot of money, dude. If you talking about the money, well it better be cool. Keep it on tuck like a burner. You already know Burger King flipping just like a burger when the boy gets to dancing.
But they don't know what to do with
that she get romantic. But what is control? Told her we could do it in the back of the club, but it's ain't okay cause you chillin' with some thugs. Got protection and it's all on us. If she want an erection, she can get the bus. So that I love girls, big tits, big butts. If she don't got nothing, I ain't gon' fuck. Well it's cool after the hours we can take a shower. If she wanna fuck with me, we get the voice big clear, don't babble. I'm on my hustle mode, and if I probably hit the blunt, I'm in my hustle mode.
You ain't got it. We need more.
Dressed to impress.
It's all right.